Hello everyone, this is Saurav Kumar and welcome you all to our YouTube channel 020247 Beginning of Winning. Students, firstly I want to tell you that those students who are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel because this is the only channel where you get all the solution related to the ICSE board, and the subject which I covered is physics and maths. Students, we already started the chapter height and distance, and this is part 4 of the video. So those students who haven't seen that video, so go and watch that video and then come to that video. Okay, so in this class I am going to solve the question from question number 16. So let's continue the video. The question number 16 is, from the window A 10 meter above the ground, from the window A 10 meter above the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is x degree. Here is the tower C. Angle of elevation is given, which is x degree, where 10x is equals to 5 by 2. Here directly given 10x, value of 10x 5 by 2, and the angle of depression of the foot D of the tower, this is the D foot of the tower, and angle of depression is given, which is y degree. So this is y degree is given, where 10y is given, which is 1 by 4. See the figure given alongside. This diagram is given in the question. This is B. Calculate the height CD. This is the height. We have to calculate this height of the tower in meter. Here, there is two parts of the question. In the first part, there is angle of elevation is given, and in the second part, the angle of depression is given. If this angle is y degree, then we can say that this is also y degree according to alternate angle. Okay, so this is y degree. In this chapter, we always deal with the right angle triangle. So here there are two right angle triangle. One is A. Let us take this one is M. The first triangle is AMC, is the right angle triangle, and the second one is ABD. So take both this right angle triangle and solve this problem and calculate the height of this tower. Okay, so firstly I am taking here this triangle from triangle AMC. From triangle AMC, this is the height and this is the base. Okay, and in question here value of 10x is given, so I write here 10x is equals to, and the trigonometric ratio 10 is basically the ratio of height upon base. So this is the height of this right angle triangle, which is CM, upon this is the base, which is AM. Okay, now can I write this AM as a BD? I write this AM as a BD because this is the rectangle and this both are equal. Okay, this both are equal, AM and CD, right? This is the rectangle and this is the AM and this is BD, both are same, and this is AB and this is MD, both are same. Okay, so I write here BD, and in question 10x is given, which is 5 by 2. This is CM and this is BD. This is equation number 1. Now from triangle, second triangle is ABD. Now again we use here 10y degree, and 10y is what? Perpendicular upon base, and here perpendicular is 10 and base is BD. Okay, now in question there is 10y is given, which is 1 by 4. So I write here 1 by 4 is equals to 10 BD, right? Then we can easily calculate the value of BD, which is 40. 40 meter. So this is 40. This is 40. If this is 40, this also be 40. So from equation 1, from equation 1, 5 by 2 is equals to cm by bd. In place of bd I write 40. So cm is equals to 5 by 2 into 40. So this is 100. Okay, this is 100 meter. Value of cm is 100 meter. If this is 10 meter, this is also 10 meter. So we can easily say that the height of tower CD is equals to cm plus AD or MD, and cm is 100 and MD is 10, so this is 110 meter, and this is the height of the tower. Okay, so this is question number 16. So note down on your notebook and then we will solve question number 17. Now the question number 17 is an aeroplane at an altitude of 900 meter. An aeroplane, here is the aeroplane at an altitude of 900 meter. This is 900 meter. Okay, now find that two ships are sailing towards him in the same direction. Here is the ship. Okay, here is the ship. Though two ships are sailing in the same direction, or both are in the same direction, the angle of depression of the ships as observed from the plane are 60 degree and 30 degree. The angle of depression of this ships is 60 degree and the angle of elevation of this ship is 30 degree. Okay, this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. Now if this angle is 60 degree, then it is automatically 60 degree, and if this is 30 degree, then it is also 30 degree. Okay, now find the distance between the ships. Okay, find the distance between the ships. We have to calculate the distance between the ships. We have to calculate this distance. If this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, we have to find this distance. Okay, so here again, here is two right angle triangle. One is ABD and the other is ABC. We have to solve both this right angle triangle, and after that we easily get this value. Okay, so firstly I am taking here triangle ABD. So from triangle ABD, this is the height and this is the base. So which trigonometrical identity I used here? Tan, and the angle is 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equals to AB upon this is BD. Okay, the value of AB is given 900 meter upon BD. And we know the value of tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is what? Root 3. So this is 900 upon BD, and we can say that BD is equals to 900 upon root 3. Okay. Now here, this is root 3 which is in denominator. So whenever we get the value of root in denominator, so we rationalize this by multiplying numerator and denominator with root value. So I simply multiply this. So I get here BD is equals to 900 root 3 upon 3. So 300. This is 300 root 3. Okay. So this is the value of BD. Now the next step is to solve this right angle triangle. So again I am taking here triangle ABC. So in this triangle, this is the angle, this is the height, and this pole is the base. So I take 10 30 degree and tan 30 degree is equals to AB upon this is BC. So value of AB is 900 and this is BC. We don't know this value. Now the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. This is 900 and this is BC. So we get easily the value of BC, which is 900 root 3. Okay. This whole value is 900 root 3 and this is 300 root 3. So this CD is equals to, now CD is equals to BC minus BD. BC is 900 root 3 and BD is 300 root 3. So this is 600 root 3 and we know the value of root 3, which is 1.732. So by multiplying this, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 7s are 42 and 6 1s are 6 and 10, 1, this one, and here is 20. So decimal after 3 digit, so this is 1039.2 meter is the distance between both these strips. Okay, that is CD. So this is the solution of question number 17. So write down this question, answer solution. The question number 18 is same like question number 17. So I skip this question and come to question number 19. From the top of a church spire 96 meter high, from the top of a church spire 96 meter high, the angle of depression of two vehicles on a road at the same level as the base of the spire and on the same side of it are x degree, y degree. Calculate the distance between the vehicle. Again, this is the church of the spire, 96 meter high. The angle of depression of two vehicles on the road at the same level as the base of the spire and on the same side. Here is the two vehicle on the same side at same level. Side of it are x degree. This is x degree and y degree. This is y degree. If this angle is x degree, so this also x degree, and if this is y, so this is y degree. I write this A, B, C, D. Okay. 10x degree is given 1 by 4 and 10y degree is given 1 by 7. Calculate the distance between the vector. This question are also same like this question, the question number 17. Here the value of 10x is directly given. So simply use both the triangle. First one is ABD and the second one is ABC. So according from triangle ABD, 10x is equals to, this is height AB upon this is base BD. So AB is given, which is 96 and this is BD. And 10x, value of 10x is 1 by 4, 96 upon BD. So we can easily get the value of BD, 96 into 4, which is 6 4s are 24, 9 4s are 36, 384 meter. Okay, so this distance is 384 meter, this distance. Now come to the next triangle. Here I am taking triangle ABC. So in this triangle 10y is equals to, this is the height AB and this is the base BC. Okay, now 10y, value of 10y is given 1 by 7. So I simply write here 1 by 7 is equals to, value of AB is given, which is height 96 and this is BC. So this BC is equals to 96 into 7. By cross multiplication, I get this value 96 into 7, 6 7 are 42, 4, 9 7 are 63, and 4 6 72 meter. And this is 382 meter. We get this value and this value also. So by taking the difference of both this value, we get this value. So this is CD is equals to BC minus BD. So BC is 672 minus 384. So this is 8 and this is again 8 and this is 288 meter. This is question number 19. Okay. Now write down this on your notebook and come to the next question. So question number 20 is two men standing on the same side of a tower in a straight line with it. Two men standing on the same side of a tower in a straight line with it. Measure the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is. Here is the top tower. Two men standing in front of the tower, and from this point the first man see the top of the tower and measure the angle of elevation of this is, which is given is 50 degree, and the other man also see this tower by the angle of elevation is 25 degree. Okay. If the height of the tower is 70 meter, find the distance between the two men. Find the distance between the two men. Here this is A, B, this is C, and this is C, and this is D. We have to calculate this distance. This is very simple question, but here the angle is given, which is 25 degree and 50 degree. And we don't know the value of tan for this angle. So we have to find this value through the table of trigonometry table. Okay. So for this, I write this 25 degree to 25 degree 0 minute, and this 50 degree to 50 degree 0 minute. So simply go to the table and open the page of tan. Okay, open the page of tan table and see where the 25 is written in the tan table. Where the 25 is written in the tan table. In this row, go to the horizontal direction. In this row, go to the horizontal direction, and the table of first value and the column or the table of first value is the value of tan 25 degree, because here there is no minute, so simply 25 degree 0 minute is your answer. Similarly, for 50 degree, search the table where 50 degree is written. Now in this row, go to the horizontal direction and find the value which is written in this column, which is 0 minute. Okay, so simply tan 50 degree is your answer. Okay, so here again I use two triangle. One is ABD and second one is ABC. Take tan 50 degree is equals to AB upon BD, and in the second table, second triangle, write tan 25 degree is equals to AB upon BC. Okay, by getting this value BD and BC, simply subtract both this value. Here 25 degree, I get this value from table. Tan 25 degree is 1.1918 and tan 50 degree is 0.4663. Okay, these are the value of tan 25 and tan 50 degree. Simply put here, and value of AB is given 70. You directly get the value of BD and BC. Subtract these two Q value and get the value of CD. Okay, and this is the distance between the two men. So this is question number 20. Now after 20, come to question number 21. Question number 21 is, in the given figure is given. This is AC, this is AB. Here the angle of elevation is given 30 degree. This is E, this is D, and this is X. From here the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay. In the given figure, AB represents a pole. This is pole. And CD represents a 60 meter. This pole height is 60 meter, which is the tower. Both of which are standing on the same horizontal plane. Both are standing on the same horizontal plane. From the top of a tower, the angle of depression of the top and the foot of the pole are, here the angle of depression is given from the top of a tower. From the top of a tower, angle of depression is given, which is depression of the top and the foot. For the top, angle of depression is 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. So this is also 30 degree. And for the foot of the pole is, this is 60 degree. So if this is 60 degree, so this is also 60 degree. Here the angle of depression is given, not angle of elevation. Okay. So this is given. We have to calculate the horizontal distance between the pole. We have to calculate this AC and height of the pole. Height of the pole is AB. So here again, here are two right angle triangle. One is DED. Here this one is, and the other is ACD. Okay. So by using both the triangle, we can easily get this value and this value. So firstly, I used triangle ACD. So from triangle ACD, this is height and this is base. So we use here tan. So tan 60 degree is equals to CD upon this is base AC. Value of CD is given directly in the question, which is 60, and this is AC. Tan 60 degree is root 3. This is 60 by AC. So AC is equals to 60 by root 3. Okay, here again the root 3 is in the denominator. So we have to rationalize this. So I rationalize this by multiplying and divide by root 3. So root 3. So here AC is equals to 60 root 3 upon 3. So this is 20 root 3. Okay, AC is equals to 20 root 3. Now this is AC. We use, now I am taking a triangle BED. Okay, this AC is the horizontal distance between the pole and the tower. So I get this value. Now again use this triangle and triangle BED. So from this triangle, tan 30 degree is equals to, this is DE. So DE upon this is BE. Okay, so DE is, we don't know this value, but BE. This is BE and this is AC. If we know this value, then we can also get this value B, because this is the side of rectangle, and in rectangle these are same and these are same. So I write simply in place of B, I write here AC. So this is D upon value of AC is 20 root 3. Now tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equals to D upon 20 root 3. So here from this I get D is equals to 20 root 3 by root 3. So root 3 is cancelled. DE is equals to 20 meter. So this X is equals to 20 meter. If this distance is 60 and this is 20, so this one is 60 minus 20, 40 meter. Okay, so AB is equals to pole, height of pole which is CD minus DE. 60 minus 20 which is 40 meter. Okay, this is the solution of question number 21. Okay, so write down on your notebook and then come to question number 22. So question number 22 is, from a boat 200 meter away from a vertical cliff. Here this is the boat. Okay, this is the boat which is 200 meter away from this vertical cliff. Here this is the cliff. Okay, now the angle of elevation of the top and the foot of a vertical pillar at the edge of the cliff. At the edge of the cliff there is a vertical pillar, and the angle of elevation from this point for the vertical top of the vertical pillar is 36 degree and the bottom of the vertical pillar is 34 degree. Okay, is given. We have to find the height of the cliff. We have to find this AB and height of the pillar this CBC. Okay, we have to find both this value. Here the angle is 34 degree and 36 degree. So we don't know this value of tan 34 degree and 36 degree. So simply get this value by using the trigonometric table. Okay. So here again there is two right angle triangle. One is A, one is OAB, and other is OAC. Both are right angle triangle. So firstly I use here OAB. For triangle OAB, this is the height tan 34 degree. Okay, this is the triangle and the angle of elevation is 34. So tan 34 degree is AB upon OA. Okay, and tan 34 degree is 0.6745. 0.6745. Okay, how I get this value? By using the table. Go to the table of tan and search where the 34 is written. In 34, go to the horizontal direction and the first value, look at the first value and write down this value. Okay, so this is 0.6745. Here AB and OA. This is OA which is given 200 meter. So AB is equals to 0.6745 into 200. Okay, this is AB. Now again go to the triangle OAC. From this triangle I use here tan 36 degree. So tan 36 degree is equals to, this is the whole height which is AC and this is again OA. So this is AC is equals to 200 meter, and value of tan 36 degree by using the table, which is 0.726, which is AC by 200. So here AC is equals to 200 into 0.726. Okay, so here you get the value of AC. Now here this is the value of AB and this is the value of AC. If this is AC and this is AB, so this BC is equals to AC minus AB. So by using this we can easily get the value of BC is equals to AC minus AB, and by putting the value and getting the answer of question number 22. Okay, now again come to the question number 23, which is very important question. Now question number 23 is, a man on the top of a vertical observation tower. This is the vertical observation tower. observes a car moving at a uniform speed coming directly towards it. Okay. If it takes 10 minutes for the angle of depression to change from 30 degree to 45 degree. Here is the man sitting on this tower. Okay. Then from here he looked on the ground and here is the car at point C. Okay. By the angle of depression 30 degree. So if this angle is 30 degree, this is also 30 degree. Now in the question is given, if it takes 10 minutes, if the car takes 10 minutes to go from this point to this point, so when the car is going from this point to this point, then automatically the angle of depression is also changed. So the angle of depression is 45 degrees, so here this is also 45 degrees, and the time taken from travel to this point is 10 minutes is given in the question. Now in the question, how soon after this by reaching this point D will the car reach the observation tower? We have to calculate the time taken by the car to reach from this point to this point. Okay. So before solving this question, firstly I want to ask you one question about what is the formula of speed, because here the relation of speed is used in this question. So what is speed? Speed is simply equals to distance upon time. Okay, speed is equals to distance upon time. Okay, this relation we use in this question. Now here the time is given which is in minute, and we know that 1 minute is equals to how much second? 60 second. So here this is 10 minute. So 10 minute is equals to 60 into 10, which is 600 second. Now let us assume that the speed of the car is, let speed of the car is equal to x meter per second. Okay, I am taking here the speed of the car is x meter per second. Okay, so if the speed is x, now the formula is distance upon time, and the distance is what? CD, and time is given which is 10 minutes, and in second is 600. So CD is equals to, simply by cross multiplication, CD is equals to 600x. Okay, and CD is what? The distance. So I write here 600x. This distance is 600x. Now again, if the car speed of the car is x, the distance, and the time which we have to calculate, I take it as a t. So distance upon time, here distance is AD and I take the time is t. So AD is equals to t into x. So I write here tx. The distance of AD is equals to tx. Now use both the relation, or here are two right angle triangle again. So one right angle triangle is triangle A, triangle BAD. So by using this triangle, I write here tan 45 degree, and tan 45 degree is AB upon this AD. So AB is equals to how much? X, and AD is equals to TX. Tan 45 degree is equals to 1, so H by TX, or I write this H is equals to TX. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now again I use here other right angle triangle which is BAC. This one, larger one. Okay. So here angle is 30 degrees. So tan 30 degree is equals to height is AB and this pole is the base, which is AC. So AB is equals to H and AC is equals to, this is the total distance, which is 600x plus Tx. So I write here 600x plus Tx. Okay. Now tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equals to H upon 600x plus Tx. Okay. So by solving this, I get 600x plus Tx is equals to root 3h. Okay. Now by using this equation number 1, I write Tx in place of h. So I write here 600x plus Tx is equals to root 3Tx. Okay. Root 3Tx. Now look here. Here it is x, here x and here x. If I taking x as a common, so this is 600 plus t is equals to root 3Tx. Okay. And this x and this x will be cancelled out. Okay, this x and this x will be cancelled out. So the remaining is 600 plus t is equals to root 3t. Okay. Now this is 600. If I bring this t to the right hand side, so this is root 3t minus t. So this is 600 is equals to, I take t as a common, so this is root 3 minus 1. So t is equals to 600 divided by root 3 minus 1. Again in the denominator there is a root value, so we have to rationalize this. And how I rationalize this? Simply take the opposite sign of this whole term and multiply in the numerator as well as denominator. So I write root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. So this is t is equals to 600 root 3 plus 1, and this is a minus b and this is a plus b. So a minus b, a plus b is equals to a square, which is root 3 square, minus b square, which is 1 square. So t is equals to 600 root 3 plus 1 upon, this is 3 minus 1, this is 600 into root 3. Value of root 3 is 1.732. So 1.732 plus 1 upon, this is 2. So this is cancel out. This is 300. So t is equals to 300 into, this is 2.732, and multiply this. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 7 is 21. And 3 into 2 is 6 and 2 8, 00. Decimal is after 3 digits, so I put here decimal. So t is equals to 819.6 second. This is the time taken by the car to reach at point A. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 23, and this is very important one. So please write down sincerely on your notebook. Now come to question number 24. The angle of elevation of a stationary cloud from a point 25 meter above the lake is, here is the cloud and here is the lake. Okay. The angle of elevation of a stationary cloud from a point 25 meter above the lake. This is 25 meter above the lake. Angle of elevation of this cloud, this is given 30 degree, and the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is 60 degree, and its reflection is here, so it is given 60 degree. So if this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. This is A, B, C, D and E. What is the height of the cloud above the lake level? What is the height of the cloud above the lake level? We have to find this height, total height. Okay. Again using here two right angle triangle. First one is this and first one is this. One is A E D and other one is D C B. By using both this triangle, we easily get the value. So from triangle AED tan 30 degree is equals to, this is the height A upon this is the base which is DE. Okay, so tan 30 degrees, let us assume this is an equation number 1. Now again taking triangle DCB from this triangle tan 60 degree, this is 60 degree and this is the height and this is the base. In front of the angle always is the height. So tan 60 degree is equals to DC upon BC, and DC is 25 and BC is, we have to find this BC by using this. Tan 60 degree is root 3, this is 25 upon BC, so BC is equals to 25 upon root 3. We have to rationalize this, we need to rationalize this, so multiply and divide by root 3, so this is 25 root 3 by 3. This is BC. Okay, now if this is BC, this is also equal to BC D, because this is the rectangle, and in rectangle the side BC and DE is equal and side DC and EB is equal. If this is 25, this is also 25. So this is equation number 2. I use this value BC here. So from 1, tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 is equal to AE, and this DE is equals to BC, which is 25 root 3 upon 3. So this is AC upon into 3, 25 root 3. Okay, so AC is equal to, cross multiply this value, so AC is equals to 25 root 3 divided by root 3 into 3. So root 3 cancel, this is 25 by 3. AC is equals to 25 by 3, sorry, not AC, this is AE. This is AE. So AE is equals to 25 by 3. If this is 25 by 3 and this is 25, so height AB is equals to AE plus EB, and AE is 25 by 3 and EB is 25. So this is 25 3 is 75. This is 100 by 3. This is 33.33 meter. Okay, the height of AB is 33.33, and this is height 25 by 3. Okay, so this is the question number 24. Question number 26. 26 is again very important one. Okay, so read the question carefully firstly. So the question is, from the top of a cliff 60 meter high, this is 60 meter high. Okay, firstly read the question carefully and try to draw a diagram. If once you draw the diagram, then you can easily solve the question. So this is 60 meter high tower or a cliff. The angle of depression of two boards are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the distance between the boards when the boards are first. There are two conditions. First condition is on the same side of the cliff. The board is on the same side of the cliff. So here angle of depression is, first one is 30 degree. This is 30 degree and this one is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Okay, 60 meter high this is given. And the second condition is on the opposite side of the cliff. Here the cliff is 60 meter. Okay, this is 60 meter is given. Here one boat is at this side and other boat is at this side, and the angle of elevation is given, angle of depression is given. This is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. If this is 30, then this is 30. If this is 60, then this is 60. Okay, and this height is given 60 meter. This height. We have to find the distance between the boats. Distance between the boats, here this is A, B, C, D. This is A, B, C and D. We have to find the distance between both the boats, which is CD. Here we have to find this is CD and here we have to find this CD. Okay, in both the question we have to use the right angle triangle. First one is BAD, this right angle triangle, and the second one is the BAC. Okay, in similar way, here the first right angle triangle is this one, triangle BAD, and the second one is this one, triangle BCA. Okay, so BAC. Now I am taking here from triangle BAD. So this tan 60 degree. Why I use here tan 60? Because here this is the perpendicular and this is the base, and in tan 60 degree is the ratio of base perpendicular upon base. So this is AB and this is AD. Height of AB is given 60 and this is AD. So AD is equals to 60 upon root 3. Value of tan 60 is root 3. This here root 3 is at the denominator. So rationalize this, multiply and divide by root 3. So AD is 60 root 3 divided by 3. So this is 20 root 3. This value is 20 root 3. Okay, now from triangle, taking the large triangle, so this is triangle BAC. Again, take tan 30 degree is equals to this triangle. In this triangle, this is the height and this whole is the base. So AB upon AC. So AB is given and AC, we don't know the value of AC. So by solving this, AC is equals to 60 upon tan 30. This is 60 upon, value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So this is 60 root 3. So this whole is the 60 root 3. This whole value. So we get this and this. We can easily get this by taking the difference of AC and AD. So CD is equals to AC minus AD, which is 60 root 3 minus 20 root 3, which is 40 root 3, right? And this CD is equals to 40 into 1.732. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28, and 4 1s are 4. 69.280 meter. Okay. In first condition, the distance between both the boat is 69.280. Now in the second condition, firstly I am taking here triangle BAD. So in triangle BAD, tan 60 degree is equals to, this is the height AB and this is the base AD. So tan 60 degree root 3, AB is 60 and here AD. Okay, now AD is equals to 60 by root 3. Rationalize this. So in similar way, I write here 60 root 3 upon 3. This is 20 root 3. Okay. Now from triangle BAC, tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equals to, again this is AB and this is AC. AB is 60 and AC, the value of AC is not given. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. This is 60 AC. So by solving this, AC is equals to 60 root 3. So this is 60 root 3 and this is 20 root 3. So the value of CD is equals to simply the summation of AC plus AD, which is 60 root 3 plus 20 root 3, 80 root 3. Okay. So this is the value 80 root 3. Put the value of root 3 here. 80 into 1.732. Multiply this. 8 into 2 is 16. 8 into 3 is 24. 8 into 7 is 56. 8 to 1 is 8 and 5 13. And here it is 0. 138560. This is your answer. Okay. So this is question number 26, which is very important. This is very important question. Now after that, question number 27 is again very easy question. So try at your home. And question number 28 is also very easy. 29 is easy. Now the last question, I solved the last question, last one, which is 30. Question number 30. So read the question number 30. Question number 30 is the horizontal distance between two towers is 120 meter. There is horizontal distance given. (120 meter). Okay, there is two towers. The angle of elevation of the top and the angle of depression of the bottom of the first tower is observed from the second tower, which means one tower is greater, first tower is greater than, height of first tower is greater than the second tower. So I reduce the height of this tower. So from this tower, from the top of this tower, the angle of elevation of the top and angle of depression of the bottom of the tower from the top of the second tower is given, which is, this is 30 degree and this is 24 degree. If this is 24, this is 24. Okay. Find the height of the two towers. We have to find the height of both the tower. So this is A, B, C, D. This is C, D, and here it is E. So nothing to worry about this. Simply search the right angle triangle. Here there are two right angle triangle again. First one is this one and the second one is this one. So first triangle is BEC and the second is CDA. Okay. Once you find the right angle triangle, you can easily solve the problem. So take, this is question number 30. Take the first triangle. I am taking here triangle BEC. Okay. This is the triangle BEC. Here tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equals to BE upon CE. Okay. This is equation number 1. Now again from triangle, second triangle, which is CDA, here I write tan 24 degree because angle of depression is given 24. So this is equal. Now tan 24 degrees, this is perpendicular, this is base. So this is CD upon, this is 120 meter. Okay, this is equation number 2. Now here by using equation 1, tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 B, and here this is C and C is equal to AD because this is a rectangle, and in rectangle the front sides are equal. So this C will become equal to AD. So I write here 120. So BE is equals to 120 by root 3. Now we need to rationalize this. So simply multiply and divide with the same number. So this is 120 root 3 by 340. So this is 40 root 3. Okay, 40 root 3. This is the 40 root 3. If you want to convert this into the number 732, so this is 40 into 1.732, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 7 4s are 28, 9, 69, 69.280. This is 69.280, this height, BE. Now, by using equation 2, tan 24 degree, we have to find the value of tan 24 degree from the table. So search the table and get the value of tan 24 degree, which is 0.4452. Tan 24 degree is 0.4452 is equals to CD. CD upon this value is given 120 meter. So CD is equals to 0.4452 into 120. So multiply this. 12 to the 24, 2 carry, 12 5 is 60, 62, 6 carry, 12 4 is 48, 48 and 6, 54, 5 carry, 12 4 is 48, 48 and 5, 53. Okay, and 1 0, 1 2 3 4. After 4 digits there is a decimal, so I write here 53.420 meter. Okay, so this is CD. Here this is CD. If this is 53.4240, so this is also 53.4240. So AB is equals to BE plus AE. Okay, so B is how much? B is 69.280 plus CD is equal to AE, which is 53.4240. So this is AB 4, 10, 7, 2, 122.704 meter. This is your answer. Okay. So here the exercise 23 is completed, and I try to solve each and every question of this exercise. Which question I left or I skipped, so please try at your home. And if you have any doubt or any query related this chapter or this exercise, so please put the comment or your doubt in the comment box. I will try to solve all your problems. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.